Good morning, friends. Today I am going to explain about triangles, that chapter 7. So, what are the main types of triangles? Triangles here, triangle definition, next its parts of triangles, and properties of triangles, next types of triangles according to sides and according to angles, types of triangles, and congruence rules of triangles, and inequalities properties. These are the main points of triangles. Now, what is the definition of triangle? Yes, the triangle definition: a simple closed figure formed by three line segments is called triangle. A simple closed figure formed by three line segments is called triangle. See here, AB is a one line segment, BC is one line segment, AC is the one line segment. Three line segments and simple closed figure. It is closed. When no chance to get outside, that is called closed figure. So simple closed figure formed by three line segment is called a triangle. Here AB, BC, CA. AB, BC, CA are called sides of a triangle. AB, BC, CA are called three sides. These are three sides of a triangle. And angle A, angle B, angle C are called three angles of a triangle. These are the parts of triangle. Parts of triangles, what are they? Sides and angles. Sides and angles are called parts of triangle. Three sides and three angles. What are the three sides? AB, BC, CA. These three are the sides of the triangle. And the three angles. What are the three angles? Angle A, angle B, angle C are the three angles of a triangle. These are parts of triangle. And vertices and one A, B, C. These three are called vertices of triangle. Vertices of triangle. So here, for one parts here, AB, comma, BC, comma, CA. These are called sides, three sides. Three sides of a triangle. And these sides can written as one more denoted here, AB can denoted as C. AB, opposite sides, small c, and BC can written as, sometimes we should as B, AC is B. So side AB can written as C, BC can be denoted as A, CA be denoted as B. How do you A, B, C, B, C is what is not there here? A not there. A, C, A written as B. Next angles, three angles. What are the angles? Angle A. Angle A we can written as more two types. How we can written as angle A, BAC. Angle BAC. And one more type, CAB. CAB. BAC, A angle. If we want A angle, we can write like this also. Angle A here, no problem. Sometimes, wherever, like this. Suppose here, A, B, C, here D there. Here angle C, how we can show here? Angle C, this side there. Which one? So then we can write here, angle C, here this side right in middle. ACB means C angle. Here this is the angle ACD, this side. So that's why we can written as like this, BAC, A angle. Only one angle there, then we can write angle A single better. But here two angles are there, then we can write as like this, BAC, CA. Next B, angle B. Angle B we can write one more two types, ABC, angle ABC and CBA. Angle CBA. Next C. Angle C. Angle C can be as ACB. Angle ACB or BCA. Angle BCA. BCA. Same. These are the parts of the triangle. 3 sides and 3 angles. And A comma B comma C. A comma B and C are called these are the 3 angles. Here are called vertices. Vertices are called vertices of triangle ABC. Where the 2 sides intersecting each other, that point is called vertex. So 3 vertices. These are the parts of it. Next, what are there here? Its properties. Already I explained the properties of triangles. One more time I explain. Listen. Here, what are the properties of triangles? First property. Guess what is that first property? Angle sum property. What is the angle sum property? Sum of 3 angles. Sum of 3 angles how much? Sum of 3 angles of triangle equals what? Sum of 3 angles. Sum of 3 angles equals to 180 degrees. Sum of 3 angles equals to 180 degrees. That is the angle sum property. First property, sum of 3 angles equals to 180 degrees. And second one, here, what are there here? Exterior angle properties. When we extended one side to a point D, BC produced to a point D, then here outside angle formed here. Outside angle formed. This angle is called, and ACD is called exterior angle. And ACD is called exterior angle. Exterior angle ACD equals to exterior angle equals to sum of opposite interior angles. Already this proved before classes in chapter lines and angles chapter I proved already. So exterior angle equals to sum of opposite interior angles. Opposite. This is the adjacent angles. So sum of opposite interior angles. Angle ACD is equals to angle A plus angle B. Exterior angle equals to exterior angle ACD is equals to sum of opposite 2 interior angles. Angle A plus angle B. Next 3 in isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, if 2 sides are equal, then opposite angles also equal. In isosceles triangle, if 2 sides are equal, then opposite angles also equal. And vice versa, if angles are equal in a triangle, if 2 angles are equal, then opposite sides also equal. And in equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, all angles also equal. Each angle 60 degrees. And inequality properties. Inequality properties what? Inequality properties. What is that? In a triangle, sum of any 2 sides is greater than the third side. Sum of any 2 sides, AB plus BC is greater than AC. AB plus BC is greater than AC. Sum of any 2 sides is greater than third side. AB plus BC is greater than AC. AB plus AC greater than BC. AB plus AC greater than BC. BC plus AC greater than AB. Sum of any 3 sides, any 2 sides is greater than the third side. And one more property, difference of any 2 sides. Difference of any 2 sides is less than the third side. Difference of any 2 sides. That is AB minus BC is less than AC. Difference of any 2 sides is less than third side. Or here AB minus AC less than BC, or BC minus AC less than AB. These two are called inequality properties. We have about properties and inequality properties. Next, types of properties. Types of triangles. Types of triangles. Types of triangles. Yeah, types of triangles also two types. One is the according to size. Triangles are three types, and according to angles, triangles are three types. Now, first, according to size. According to size, triangles are three types. Triangles are three types. First one, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Anybody? Yes. In a triangle, if three sides are equal, then the triangle is called equilateral triangle. In a triangle, three sides are there. Though three sides are equal. If three sides are equal, then it is called equilateral triangle. For example, here A, B, C. AB 5 centimeters, BC also 5 centimeters, AC also 5 centimeters. See here, all lengths are equal. Three line segments are equal. So, like this, if in a triangle all three sides are equal, then it is called equilateral triangle. Here, in equilateral triangle, if all three sides are equal, it is equilateral triangle. So, then guess what is the angle of each angle? Sum of three angles is equal to 180. First property that is the sum of three angles equals to 180 degrees. Three sides are equal, then three angles are also equal. Then three angles are equal, then each angle is equal how much? 60 degrees. Each angle 60 degrees. Why? Here three sides are equal. AB, BC, CA equals to 5 centimeters. Therefore, all three angles also equal. Angle A equals, angle B equals, angle C equals to 60 degrees. 60, 60, 60. 60, 60, 60. 363 is the 180. So, all sides are equal, all angles are equal in a equilateral triangle. Second one, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. What is the isosceles triangle? In a triangle, if any two sides are equal, then it is called isosceles triangle. In a triangle, any two sides, if any two sides are equal, then it is called isosceles triangle. Here like this. Here example A, B, C. This is the 5 centimeters, this is the 5 centimeters. With the AB 5 centimeters, AC also 5 centimeters. These two sides are equal. This is the difference. So here AB equals to AC equals to 5 centimeters. AB equal to AC equals to 5. AB, AC, two sides are equal. So this is called isosceles triangle. Next, then here one more property there. Here all sides are equal. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Each angle, all angles also are equal. Each angle 60 degrees. Here what about? Here, if two sides are equal in isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, then upward angles also equal. Suppose here AB upward angle is what? C. Angle C. AB upward side angle is C, and AC upward angle is B. So these two angles are equal. Angle B equals to angle C. In isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, their opposite angles also equal. AB opposite angle is C, AC opposite angle is B. These two angles also equal. Next, one more triangle, scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. What is scalene triangle? Guess. Here, equal triangle, all three sides are equal. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. And in scalene triangle, three sides are different. In a triangle, if three sides are different, then it is called scalene triangle. A, B, C. This is the 3 centimeters. This is the 4 centimeters. This is the 5 centimeters. Three sides are different. We did it like this. Mark. 1 mark here, 2 marks here, 3 marks. 3 are different. So here AB is not equals to BC is not equals to AC. Same as if here three sides are different, in this triangle 3 angles are also different. Therefore, angle A is not equals to angle B is not equals to angle C. 3 sides are different and 3 angles are also different. That is called scalene triangle. Now, according to angles, triangles are 3 types. According to side angles, triangles are 3 types.